that water is essential for all living organisms. Did you know that plants have almost 90% of water? Without water, there would be no germination of seeds. Without water, plants wouldn't be able to transport the nutrients within them. So, how do you think farmers provide this water to their croplands? Do they carry buckets of water to the crop field? Just imagine, it would take thousands of buckets to water a single cropland. So, farmers use various techniques and tools to water their plants at different intervals of time. So, the supply of water at different intervals is called irrigation. In summer, you need to supply more water to the plants because the leaves of the plants lose the water to the sun because of evaporation. The sources of irrigation include wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, and even dams and canals. So, in the traditional method of irrigation, which has been practiced since our ancestral times, include cattle or human labor to take water or obtain water from these sources of irrigation, such as wells or tube wells. A pump, a chain pump mechanism, or a pulley system is incorporated in these areas to lift the water. Diesel, solar energy, and electricity are required for the functioning of these pumps. In modern method of irrigation, farmers try to use water more economically. First one is the sprinkler system. Sprinklers like these are fitted on land areas and they sprinkle water as if it's raining on the crops. These sprinklers are very good for uneven lands where water usually does not reach all the crops equally. Second, we have the drip system. They are located at different points of the land and water keeps falling drop by drop just at the position of the roots. In this way, water is never wasted. It is one of the best techniques for saving water and also keeping the soil moist at all times. It is good to grow fruit plants, trees and gardens through the drip system. So, what have we learned today? We learned what is irrigation, the traditional techniques of irrigation which include pulley mechanism, chain pump mechanism, and modern techniques of irrigation including sprinkler system and the drip system. So until next time, happy learning!